Hey, Matt Mathersum here with Math Madness. Thank you so much for joining us and being a part of this critically acclaimed programming. My wife does appreciate you guys putting up with me again. Well, this is part 2 of 4. We are factorizing the difference of squares. And the first episode, I proved to you geometrically why that worked. I'm not going to go through that again, but I did leave it up here for you guys to look at. Okay, well, we are factorizing this set here. And you can see over here that we want to have something squared minus something squared. But over here, I've got something squared times something squared, and the same dealio over here. How do we rectify this to get these into one big square for here and here? I feel like when I say one big square, I'm thinking about that Elaine Seinfeld episode, Can You Spare a Square? All right, we'll move this right along then. Okay, well, I think we might have a couple of ideas on how to whip this into shape, so let's just do that. When I have something squared by something squared, can I just maybe think about it like this? Square the whole darn thing. U times V squared. Does that take care of this? Does this look like A squared? Yeah, it does right now. Okay, let me go ahead and deal with the 49. Well, it is a square number, isn't it? Yeah, it most definitely is. What's that square? Yeah, it's a 7, isn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and write a 7 here. We know that's squared, don't we? Well, I've got this y, don't I? And I'm just going to go ahead and multiply the 7 by the y, and I'm going to do the same darn thing that I did over here with this darn mess, all right? So do I have something squared minus something squared? Well, I do, and it looks like that. So that means that I can implement that product that we went over the very first episode, can I? All right, well, let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and, again, create 2 really big parentheses here. I'm going to have a minus and a plus, and if you missed the first episode, know that I can have the plus over here and the minus over here. That does not matter when I have these operations in this particular format. Okay, well, what goes into our A slot? Well, that's going to be our UV, isn't it? And over here, that's just going to be the UV as well. Our B slot, well, that's our 7y, isn't it? Looks like it is. Well, what about over here? Same dealio, 7y. Well, what's left? Well, let's look at it real quick. I've got this minus this times this plus that. Does that look anything like that? Yeah, it looks exactly like it should, doesn't it? Well, that's all the time we have for here on Math Madness. I am Matt Mathersum. I'm going to see you guys really soon. Have a wonderful day.